Hello friends, my name is Milind and you are watching English Language Guruji. Today's video is something different. Again, I came up with the unboxing video. I have bought two products from Flipkart. One is Mama's Baby Shampoo for my son and another is the Dove Shampoo for me. And I got it in a pretty much discount from Flipkart because I have purchased these two items in Flipkart Day, which was started from 1st December 2019 to 5th December 2019. And these are the two products, and I don't know which product in which box, and therefore I cannot say that the shampoo is in here or here. I don't know. So first I am going to do the unboxing of this bigger box, and let us see that what is inside and what is that. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So now I am doing the unboxing of this product, and let's see how I am going to cut it. So here is I am just cutting down the product. This side also. And again I have to cut down this like that. See, bill is inside, and according to the bill I can find out which product is here. So you can say that it is a Dove Hair Fall Rescue Shampoo. I got it for myself, and you can look at the price quoted here is 91.52, and it means that only 92 rupees. And I have got the GST for 8.20%, and the total amount is 108 rupee only. So I got this product just for 108 rupee. So if I go to the market in medical or any shop, so I must have spent 120 rupee, 120 rupee maybe. I don't know what the price is. So let it put it aside, and here is the box. Inside the box here is the Dove shampoo. You can see that the pretty cool shampoo, hair fall rescue shampoo from the Dove. Here are the product information. So thank you very much for watching my video. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe my channel and press bell icon and share